Hi friends, welcome back my channel SciTecher. In this video I'm going to talk about the display touch issue problem got fixed in the Moto H20 or not. The main reason is because I'm getting few comments recently. Some of the users that actually plan to buy this Moto H20, as you can see. So they want to buy this phone, but they want to know is the display touch issue problem got solved or not. So that of making a video and explain to you all right now in the 2022, in case if you're planning to buy the Moto H20, you should definitely watch this video. So first thing is that there has been, yes, there is a lot of display touch issue problems did happen in the Moto H20, not only in this device, even in Moto H20 Pro as well. But with the recent update, I think maybe 10 days back, I did receive the update. After the update, there's no issues with the display touch issues. Yes, all the problems got completely fixed. And there's a special mode which has been enabled in the display option, which is called increased touch sensitivity mode. You can actually enable this option in case if you use any kind of tamper glass or any kind of screen protector on your device in the Moto H20. That's the reason all the issues got completely fixed, friends. But few of the users did report couple of issues, not 100%, maybe 95% got fixed. Maybe some users, depending on the tamper glass, what they are trying to use, the touch issue problem can happen. But still, so the company is not providing any other official tamper glass. That's the reason this kind of problems will happen, friends. So if the company starts providing the official tamper glass in every manufacturer phone, that will be really good. But it also depends upon one screen protector to other screen protector. So you need to make sure. But overall, touch problems are completely solved. And while gaming, always use this touch sensitivity option while gaming. If you use this option, there won't be any touch issues happening in the Moto H20 device. Always try to remember this one simple trick. Always enable the touch sensitivity option in your Moto H20 device. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick feedback which I thought of giving you all regarding the display touch issue problems, and finally it got fixed in the Moto H20. Meanwhile, signing off. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.